Very good
Hello,
morning.
sir. Good morning.
Good morning. Okay, so um, let me tell you about myself first, right? So I'm Abhimanyu. Okay, and I have in total 13 years of experience in cybersecurity, and from last 4 years, I'm like providing the cybersecurity trainings as well, right? So I do have some certificates like CEH, CEH, ComSci Security Plus, Pen Test Plus, OSCP, CCNA, CISSP, and all these are like some professional for the cybersecurity, right? I've worked as security analyst, security analyst, and as a cybersecurity admin, right? Okay, so that's all from my side. And throughout the course, I'll be going to be a mentor. Everything, all the modules, every classes that we'll be covering here, that you will be covering with me only, right? So that's the thing. Okay. So before moving to the course content and all, let's just complete the introduction for everyone, right? Arvind, let's start with you.
Yes, hi, good morning. My name is Arvind, and I have over 20 years of experience in IT infrastructure. Presently, I am based in Noida and working in an US based company here in Noida
Yeah.
only. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
so my present domain is IT infrastructure, where I'm working on virtualization, cloud, and
Mm-hmm.
data center, right? But there are certain things where I am also involved in vulnerability management of the company
Mm-hmm.
systems and servers,
Mm-hmm.
right? So my purpose of doing this cybersecurity course is to get more knowledge and more awareness about means how I can means leverage the present system in our company. Yeah.
Okay, got it, got it. Then, okay. So you have worked as a VAPT analyst as well, no? Listen, the knowledge
Not
that.
exactly the VAPT.
Mm-hmm.
Only just because my main domain is IT infrastructure, right? So from we have a different security department in our company.
Mm-hmm.
They provide some they scan the vulnerability reports and they provide us to mitigate them and to remediate those
Okay, cool, cool.
vulnerabilities as respective to our servers and systems.
Okay, got it, got it, got it.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, that's great. Yeah, Yash, you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hello, sir.
Hi.
Myself, Yash Rekhi. I'm living in Nandurbar. I running a small business in
Mm-hmm.
computers, network, and I I provided a IT solution in simple way. I
Mm-hmm.
joined the class because of I want to get knowledge in cybersecurity, and
Mm-hmm.
I am looking forward it gain a knowledge more and start the career in cybersecurity. So this is my first step.
Got it, got it. Okay, I feel like that, Yash, maybe we got connected earlier as well in the previous some other batches or something. Is that so?
Yes, बिफोर 6 मंथ्स पहले मैं आपके बैच में था पर ड्यू टू सम पर्सनल रीजन मैं कंटिन्यू नहीं कर पाया था.
Okay, okay, okay. Yeah,
जी.
it just reminded me from your profile actually, right?
Yes.
So I thought that okay, I guess I've heard like I have seen this guy. So yeah. Okay, so what suddenly happened that you didn't continue that time and all?
So actually my brother get married, so I involved in that thing.
Oh, okay, okay. Yeah.
हाँ.
Indian
So
weddings बहुत complicated होती है.
yes, sir.
I know, I understand. It's बहुत सारा load होता है and all. Okay, got it. Okay, so um yeah, let me just share my screen first. Right.
So आवाज नहीं आ रहा
I didn't said anything actually.
है.
So, Abhimanyu sir, you are also from which place?
I'm from Rajasthan.
Okay, okay. And presently also in Rajasthan, or it's some
No,
other
I'm
area?
in Noida only.
Okay, Noida only. Okay, okay. All right, that's great.
Okay, so guys, you can call me Abhimanyu. You don't need to like call me as a sir and all, right? Let's just keep the things professional. Okay, so yeah, then let me just share my screen, right? And we'll discuss about the course content and what kind of thing that we'll be covering throughout the course, right?
Uh,
Okay, so I hope my screen is visible for everyone.
yes, we can see.
Okay, cool. So it's on weekend. It's going to be 10 a.m. From tomorrow, we'll continue classes on 10 a.m. Right? Today I had some office meetings and also because of that I won't be able to do this.
I think 11 is more comfortable, I think, because nowadays it's very, early, 10 a.m.
Mm-hmm.
or something like that. Maybe,
11 is fine.
yeah, 11 is fine, I think, if everybody is okay with that.
Yes, what you say?
Fine, sir. Not an issue.
10 a.m. is fine.
11 a.m. or 10 a.m.
Like whatever that you guys will say, I'll just continue on that time only. I don't
Because I
think.
am comfortable at 11, if it is possible. It would be good.
Yeah, that's not an issue.
Yeah, right.
Fine,
Okay,
sir. This is a time is not an issue. आप जब बोलोगे तब I am ready.
it's okay. It's okay.
Uh,
Okay, let's make it 11 a.m. Okay.
yeah, thanks. Right.
Okay.
Okay, every day on 11 a.m. we'll do the classes. Okay then. So yeah. So on the weekends, on 11 a.m. every day, we'll on every weekend, right? We'll connect and we'll do the classes and all. So we are going to start here with the CEH content of CEH. Okay, we have here CEH, Comsha Security Plus, and Pentest Plus, right? So
Right.
these are the courses that we'll be doing here. So we'll start with the CEH. Okay. Along with CEH, there are so many concepts that is very much similar for the CompTIA Security Plus as well. Okay. The course content is very much similar, but their values are different. Okay. The certificate values are different. Okay.
Right.
So there are so many topics that will be covering something similar and all. Right. So that's the thing. Okay. So, okay, tell me guys, for a day, like it depended on the students actually, for how long that you want to do a class in a day. As of I'm going to consider you guys as a completely fresher in cybersecurity, like you don't have much idea about the technology and all, right? So that is what I'm going to consider, and we'll cover everything from the scratch, right? So I just want to know from you guys that how long that you can handle me every day. Like
Yeah.
2 hours, 3 hours. Tell
Yeah,
me.
2 hour is enough, I think, for me.
Two is enough.
Yeah, 1.5 or two.
Two
One and a
two
half or
hours,
two.
sir. 2 hours is enough, sir.
2 hours is okay then. Okay, so we'll do a class on 2 hours. Okay, 2 hours of class every day. Like it will be between 2 hours to or 140 or 215 to 20 depending on the topic,
Yep.
right? It might sometimes it will be stats or sometimes it will be shrink. It's like that. Okay, so 2 hours of the day we are doing. So in that case, we need total 40 hours to complete CEH. Along with this, there are so many topics that will even complete of the Security Plus. Okay, Security Plus also in this 40 hours. Okay,
Yep,
so
sure.
this will almost take us 2 to 3 months to complete, right?
Yeah, because every weekend we have four
Yeah,
hours
4 hours, right?
mm,
So two to
and
three months to complete
monthly eight,
this, right?
right?
Okay, and uh, okay, after that we'll move to the Security Plus, the remaining topics of the Security Plus that we have, that we will cover, right? And then after that we'll move to the uh, sorry, not the Security Plus, that is Pen Test Plus. Okay, Pen Test Plus. For the Security Plus, we need separate 2 months, right? So almost it took like around 5 to 6 months to complete the syllabus. Okay, am I clear for everyone?
Yep. Yep.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so most of the thing that we'll be covering, that is going to be in a practical form, because here is not something that we are preparing for the um, like school or college's exam, right? So we are preparing here to develop ourselves or to develop the skills. For the skills, we need to do the practice and of the practicals and everything, right? So most of the part, let's say you can say 80% of the part that we have, that is going to be uh, practicals, okay? PM writing, and then the 20% of the part that is going to be the theoretical part, okay?
Yeah. So
Okay.
Yes,
for
sir.
for practical, how means do we need something installed on our system, or it would be some
Of course, that
virtual?
is my next point actually,
Hmm.
right? Okay. So for this, we need some system requirements. Okay, so the system requirements are like we need to write here um 16 GB RAM. Okay, 16 GB of RAM you need minimum. I'm right. I'm saying this. Okay, minimum 16 GB of RAM, and then i5 minimum 10th gen. Okay, processor. This is what you need, and then 512 GB of SSD. This is also minimum. Okay. So if you have these specifications in your system, then you can like do your work smoothly, right? So do you have these specifications in your system?
No, actually, presently I'm not having this much of specification. That's why I'm
Is it
asking. Is
six
it?
8 GB RAM?
Mm,
Do you have 8 GB RAM?
yeah, yes, RAM is 8 GB,
Uh-huh.
but this i5, I don't think it was i5. And don't we have some virtual lab access so that we can have access and we can do practice over there?
Of course, there are platforms like TryHackMe and all where we can use the virtual labs and all, right?
Mm-hmm.
But the thing is, on the TryHackMe, we can only do for 1 hour. Okay, there's a platform named TryHackMe.
Okay, try hack me, right?
Okay, uh,
Sir, I have all requirement, but i5 9 generation H processor. It is
Edge
okay.
processor is fine. Okay, Edge is fine then.
Okay.
Edge is for the higher services, right? For the high performance actually. So that is fine. Okay, so we have a platform named Try Hack Me where we do practice of our cybersecurity stuff and the ethical hacking stuff, right? So for there, we'll get 1 hour of free services. Okay, but that is also limited, right? Obviously, 1 hour is not enough for us to do the practice and all, right? So that's why either you need to purchase the premium of that, right? But I don't personally suggest that to purchase the premium because we are here to learn the stuff, right? So even the free version is very better there. That will even move to the Try Hack Me once we'll complete all of our 40 modules, or sorry, 40 hours of training. Then we'll move to the Try Hack Me and do the practice of whatever that we have learned, right?
So here
So
1 hour means it's per day or means
yeah, per
it's
day,
over
per day,
okay,
per day.
per day 1 hour we have. Okay,
Yeah.
fine.
So that is an issue because let's say that during the class you have started that 1 hour, right? So even though we will not be able to complete the class as well, right? Because the class is of 2 hours and we are starting the machine for 1 hour only. And after the end of the class, you need to, do the practice again. Then obviously you will not waste your time to wait till the next day, right? So that's the thing. So that's why we need these specifications, which is like kind of compulsory to have.
Okay.
Okay. And there are so many things that we need to do on our system to understand the topics. For that, we cannot use any virtual environment. For that, we have to use our own environment actually. Okay. Okay, so let's come to the point. We have all the 40 hours. It means like in total for the CEH, okay, we have in total 40 modules. Okay, so every day we try to complete 2 modules. Okay, 2 modules every day. So within like you can say 20 days or the same 40 hours, right? The 40 modules will be completed. 40 modules, you can consider them as 40 chapters. Okay, so that we can do.
Right.
Okay, then all of these are going to be, as I said, that in a practical form and all, we'll start with very basic stuff, right? Okay. So apart from this, if you have any doubt related to the course and content and anything, you can ask me. I guess all of you have the brochure of the course,
Yes, we have.
right? So there all the topics and everything is already mentioned, right? So you can go through that and you can check it. Any doubts till now?
Sir, I have a question.
Yeah.
Uh, Recently I just मतलब looking मैं देख रहा था वीडियो
Mm-hmm.
समथिंग ये हैकिंग के रिलेटेड. Now
Mm-hmm.
some people are using gadgets.
Gadgets,
So
okay.
वो हाँ लाइक अभी उनका नाम नहीं याद मुझे लेकिन दे आर
Flipper
यूजिंग
Zero?
रास्पबेरी पाई. सॉरी. हेलो.
फ्लिपर जीरो फ्लिपर जीरो देखा था क्या?
हाँ. फ्लिपर जीरो.
OMG
मैं आपको
केबल.
लिंक शेयर करता हूँ. यस यस सारे सारे यूएसबी टाइप पेन ड्राइव लाइक अ
That
पेन ड्राइव
is
डाला.
that is what we call मैं भी भूल गया नाम एक्चुअली. इट वाज रबर डकी.
रबर डक. यस यस यस. मैं ये सारे मतलब ये भी अपने सिलेबस में इंक्लूडेड है कुछ या
नॉट
फिर बेसिक
एक्चुअली.
इंट्रोडक्शन. ओनली बेसिक
नो नो नो,
इंट्रोडक्शन.
आई टेल यू कि कैसे वो काम करते हैं, है ना?
ओके
बट वी डोंट हैव दीज थिंग्स इन आवर कोर्स. ओके.
ओके ओके.
Okay, guys, just give me a minute. I'm getting a call actually. Okay, I'm back. Yeah, I guess we have more participants here. We have Ankit, we have Ali and all, right? Afsal, can you hear me, guys?
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Yeah.
Hello, sir. I am here also.
Okay, okay, yeah. Sorry, I didn't saw you guys join because, like, as of I'm sharing my screen, so I didn't saw the participants page, right? Okay. So I guess you guys have joined late. So if you have missed any particular part, you can tell me. I can explain all of these things again. As of we haven't covered the much important part till now. So no.
No, sir. You
Okay.
can carry.
Also, I just wanted to know your educational background as well, guys, so I can decide what all methods that I should use to explain you guys the topics and all. Right? Education background and your current profile that you are working on. It start with Afsal, right?
Yeah, hi, sir. Good morning.
Hi, Afsal.
Yeah. Sir, actually, myself, I just working as a IT operation analyst here in UAE in a bank,
Mm-hmm.
working for HCL, and the client is a banking sector.
Okay.
So I just plan to change my career, upgrade my, not upgrade, you can say, change my career.
Okay.
Actually, in a bank, all the department, all the ITs are together in the one floor. So I was there
Mm-hmm.
with SOC team for around 5 to 6 months, just to see
Okay.
the process how they are doing and all.
Mm-hmm.
So after learning something, I can update to I can request them to change the department also.
Mm-hmm.
So that's it.
Okay. Where are you from, Afsal?
I am from Kerala, sir.
Kerala. Okay. Ali, you there? Hi, Ali. Can you hear me? Mumtaz Ali. Can you hear me? Okay. Hi, Ankit. You there? Oh, Ankit left the session. Okay. Okay, let's just continue to our topics and all. Okay, so regarding this, you don't have any doubt, anyone, right? Okay, so let me just introduce you guys with the topics that we'll be covering, right? So let's say CEH, right? Um, these are the modules that I'll share with you guys as well on your LMS. It will be uploaded and all, right? So before moving to the this PPT part and all, let's just discuss about the basic stuff. Okay, can you tell me guys what is cybersecurity? Team, can you hear me? Can
Yes,
anyone tell me what is
Yes, sir.
cybersecurity?
It's protection of data,
Mm-hmm.
put information, you can say.
Protecting the information, you said.
Yeah, data and information,
Mm-hmm. Anyone
and
else?
from cyber attacks.
Okay, anything else? Anyone?
yeah.
Want to give
To
it a try?
to protect the company or some organization's data center from unauthorized access.
Mm-hmm. Okay. And who needs the cybersecurity?
Everyone.
To protect ourselves or our data, to protect our data from
Mhm.
the unauthorized person or unauthorized substance which can be attack और अंदर घुस सकते हैं ऐसे लोगों से
Mhm.
सिक्योर रखना
Okay, got
टेक्निकली
it. Okay. So yeah, you guys are right. Right. Let me explain you this thing. Okay. For example, this is like one of my favorite example though. Let's say we have a room. Okay. Inside that room, we have 100 crore cash. Right. So can you tell me how can we protect this room from thieves? Any idea?
For a room, we can just use the lock system, whether it is a digital or anything like that.
Okay, locks. What else?
For entering room, we can use access cards as well, authorized access card if somebody has.
What else? Come on, guys, think. 100 crore की बात है. We can use CCTV, right?
Yes, and a security guard as well. Right.
Guards,
sensor
biometrics.
sensors biometrics IR uh, infrared sorry IR means infrared heat seekings everything
Sensors, SENSORs. Okay, what else?
laser trap
All of those are sensors only, no? Okay, so we have, let's say, these layers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? We have here in total 8 layers to secure our room, right? We can even put lockers though, right? The money inside a locker inside a room, right? So these are the things that we can do. Okay, so now let's just change the situation. Now we have a website www dot let's say examplebank.com. Now tell me we have the same 100 crore, okay, in account, okay, accounts, let's say accounts of bank, right? Uh, Now how can we protect this website from the hackers? Any idea?
By using the firewalls,
What else?
Access management, authorize access to the person who is authorized
Tell
to
me the
access.
security layers now, like okay, authorization is okay,
Mhm.
but how can I apply the authorization?
MFA,
MFA. We also call this 2FA by the way. 2FA.
yes.
Multi-factor authentication and two-factor authentication. Both are same. What else? Difficult to answer, right?
right.
Okay. So, in the case of cybersecurity, right? What is cybersecurity? This is actually cybersecurity. Securing yourself in a digital world is cybersecurity, right? Nowadays, we are like surrounded by the digital technology, but we don't even have any idea of like how we can protect ourselves from this, right? Everything is getting digitalized around us, right? Every single thing that you can take an example of, all of the things are digitalized nowadays, right? So, and the other question that I have asked now, who needs the cybersecurity? So yeah, you guys are correct. Everyone needs the cybersecurity, right? The reason behind this is, um, let's say we have all the digital devices nowadays in our home, right? Let's say we have smart TV, smart AC, smart fan, smart refrigerator, smart washing machine, smart speaker, smart doors, everything, right? All of these things are getting digitalized, isn't it? I can turn on and turn off my lights just by saying, Alexa, turn on the light, right? It will turn on the lights, isn't it? So, and how all of these things are connected to each other? By the help of internet, right? Guys, are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, and who is providing the internet to these devices? Wi-Fi, right? We have the Wi-Fi in our home. So, through that, all of these digital devices are connected to each other, right? So, just imagine in the middle of night, if a hacker hack your Wi-Fi network, then he can control all the devices, isn't it? Are you getting what I'm trying to say here?
Yes, sir.
And let's say suddenly the lights and the fans and everything, like they started blinking, the fan is getting turning on, turning off, the TV is getting turning on, turning off. Okay, or maybe some scary sound they have started playing in the speakers and all, right? What you will think? Oh my God, there are some paranormal activities are going in my house, right? But in reality, there is no ghost. It's a cyber attack, right? So that is the exact reason why everyone needs the cybersecurity. Most of the time, people think that who need the cybersecurity is like Google, Microsoft, Instagram, Facebook, and all. No, even if these companies need the cybersecurity, na, they are protecting our data only, right? They don't have their own data. They are even protecting our data. You can take an example of Instagram, let's say, right? So on Instagram, we have, let's say, in total 300 million users. Right. In total, we have 300 million users. So all the user account that we have, the Instagram is protecting those user accounts only, na? They don't have their own data on their platform. They only have our data present on the Instagram. Right. So just imagine if all the users will delete their account from the Instagram, then there is nothing left. It's zero users. It's like a empty room, right? So if the room is empty, do you still think that will apply all of these security layers on that? No, right? Isn't it?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
That's the thing. So what is cybersecurity? Securing yourself in a digital world is cybersecurity. And who needs the cybersecurity? Everyone. Okay. Or more specifically, you can say who needs the cybersecurity? Every single person who is somehow connected through the internet, they need the cybersecurity. Okay. Okay. Any doubts till now?
No.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Okay. So all of these notes will be shared with you guys, right? Before that, let's just discuss. Okay, so we have here, as I told you, that we have in total 40 modules for CEH. Okay, the 40 modules for CEH. These 40 modules are divided into two parts. Okay. Uh, the first 20 modules is for the beginners level. Okay, where we'll cover the basics of cybersecurity, that what is cybersecurity, how it works, what are the different types of attack are there in the market and all, right? That we will discuss about. And then the next 20 modules, in the next 20 modules, we'll be covering the advanced level of cybersecurity, like let's say hacking the Wi-Fi network, hacking the Windows operating system, hacking the websites and all, right? So these are the stuff that we'll be covering throughout the course. Am I clear? And everything is going to be in the practical form only, right?
Yes, sir.
Great. Okay, now let's just discuss about the myths of cybersecurity. Okay, sorry. Before moving to that, uh, few topics in the beginners level. I didn't mention here all the topics name actually. Few of them that we have mentioned here that we'll be covering. So we'll start with the basics of networking. We'll discuss about what is network, type of network, there, how the internet works, how we are able to transfer, receive the data from one location to another location. Okay. So all of these things that we will discuss, right? And then we'll discuss about the desktop security, the basic Windows security and all, right? That thing we'll discuss. Then the malwares. Malwares are like that, if you have heard of a term viruses, right? So we'll be covering that part, like how exactly a virus work, how exactly the Trojan horse work. There are different type of malwares we have. We'll discuss about that. And as I said, everything is going to be in a practical form, right? So let's say if I say the term virus, so I'll not only tell you the definition of virus, I'll even tell you how we can even create a virus. Am I clear? And then after that, we'll move to the email security, social engineering, web application basics, like how the website works and all, and then the Google hacking. By saying Google hacking, I didn't mean to say that we are going to hack the Google. Okay, it is something that to learn how to use Google in an efficient way. Okay, that is what we'll discuss about here. Okay. Then after that, in the advanced level, we'll cover the website VAPT part, like the website hacking part, then cryptography, steganography, encryption and decryption of data, network VAPT, Wi-Fi hacking, Android hacking, and the WordPress VAPT part. Okay, so these are the few topic names that I have mentioned here for the demo part and all, right? So all of these things that we'll be covering in a practical form itself. Got it? Any doubts till now? Guys, is there any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Also, regarding the tools and technology that we'll be covering, more than like we have 70, 80 tools that we will cover throughout the course. Few of them that we have mentioned here. Okay, like the tools that we'll be covering throughout the course. Few of them we have mentioned that here. Okay, apart from this, we even have like, I guess, 20, 40 rooms, tools more that will cover during the whole 6 month of course and all, right?
Uh, Sir, should you be also going over the Shodan tool, Shodan that we use in OT part? Like,
Yes. We'll cover the Shodan as
okay.
well. Right. So I guess we have even mentioned the Shodan here. Is that mentioned? No, it's not mentioned here, but yeah. These are the few tool name that I have mentioned here, right? Not all of them, so don't worry, we'll even cover the Shodan. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Cool. Okay. Then now let's just discuss about the myths of cybersecurity. Okay, so the myths of cybersecurity is there's a very big myth. Let's say that if I tell you my friend is a hacker, okay? So can you tell me, guys, what kind of image that comes in your mind about that guy? Like if I tell you that my friend is a hacker, any guesses?
Yes, it is
Like
something like negative image, like
let's say that
in-
the person is wearing a mask, something like
right,
this.
right, right.
He's wearing a mask. He might be working on, let's say, green screen, right? Then maybe he's having like fast typing, good in programming, right? What else that we can think of that? Um, tell me, guys, what all images that comes in your mind regarding the person? Maybe he's sitting in a dark room, right? Multiple screens, isn't it? These kind of things come in our mind, right? When we think of any hacker and all. But if I tell you the ground reality, all of these are fake. Okay, and one more important part that the person might be wearing a hoodie, right? A black hoodie with a mask, right?
Right.
So all of these things are myths about the cybersecurity. Okay, all of these things that we see in the movies only. Okay, even though the term hacking that we have, this is also two type of hacking we have. First is real. Okay, that is the part of movie, and real that we'll be covering throughout the course. Okay, so all of these things that the green screen, fast typing, and the other stuff, these things that we see in the movies only. Okay, these are not the real hackers. You can say profiles and all, right? They never do all of these things. All of these things are just for the fun or just to, uh, you know, uh, what we call that? I forgot the term actually. Just to give it a hype, okay, of a hacker in the movies only. Okay, I'll even show you a few demos here, like what exactly the real hacking looks like, right? So let's say we have here a website, hackertyper.net. We can go to the website, and then here, let's say if I start typing any random stuff, okay? So see how fast I'm typing here and without making any mistake, right? I'm typing here a program without making any mistake, very fast, and it's in the green color only, isn't it? But in reality, what I'm doing here, I'm just pressing any random keys on my keyboard and it is just writing a program for me. Doesn't matter even if I press only one key on my keyboard, let's say space I'm pressing for this time. See, still it is typing the command for me. And even if I press escape key, it will still type the program for me, right? Similarly, even if I press backspace key, through which we can remove the written text, but still it is typing the code for me, right? All of these things are what? A fake hacking stuff that we used to see in the movies. They automatically we have got their access denied. Wow, right? And access gained. Wow. Am I clear? So these are just the fake stuff that we see. Apart from this, we even have another website. Let's say that is Prenex.com. You can even go to these websites and you can explore the part by yourself, right? So let's say we have hacker typer simulator, right? So we'll just go to this page, and then from here, see, doesn't it looks like? Let me just make it in a full screen. Doesn't it looks like a hacker screen, right, guys?
Yes.
And see, in the programming console, I'm not even pressing any key on my keyboard. Automatically, a program is being typed in the background. And this is what exactly we see in the movies, actually. Right? Let's say we'll close this compiling page. We'll close this as well. The neural network tracing, advertisement, and all. And wow, we have got here the logo of NSA. NSA is the National Security Agency of US. Just like in India, we have RAW and IB. Exactly like that. In US, they have NSA. Right. So we have an icon of NSA, and then we can see the background, which is like a kind of a globe. It shows in a green color only, right? Similarly, we have here other multiple options. For example, the password cracker. So if I click on that, a target is already selected here. I didn't enter here any target. By default, it is selected here. Even if you go to this website, you will also find the same target. And now I click on the start brute force attack, and it has started cracking the password for me of the particular target, right? And I don't even have an idea who is my target here, but still it is cracking the password. And this is something maybe you have seen somewhere in the movies and all, that they are cracking the password one by one, right? And done. See, the password is being cracked very easily. But in reality, if I tell you, if you have something this strong password, now this is very strong password though, because in this we have capital letters, small letters, numerical values, special characters, right? And even the password is more than 8 characters long, right? So in that case, even though this password is near to impossible to crack, right? But still, if there is any technology that can help you to crack this password now, that will even take like almost 2 to 3 days to crack the password. But here, it has cracked this within seconds, right? Because this is real hacking. This is not real. Okay. After this, if we go to the other options, let's say the compiler, the same, it will launch the compiler for me, programming console. Here I can start typing any random stuff. Then we have remote connection option. Here, you just have to press any random keys and then automatically it will launch the applications in the background by itself. See, main server, it has started by itself only. I didn't did anything, right? I'm just pressing any random keys and see, we got here a message, access denied, right? And automatically it is doing the random stuff here. Right. Similarly, we can close this, we can close this, we can close this and this. Right. So now, the other options that we have, even nuclear plant option, we can control here the nuclear plant and all, right? So this is what it says, right? But still, this is fake stuff. And we have the headquarters surveillance. This is like one of my favorite part on this website. See, we can see a headquarters surveillance camera, right? It says headquarters surveillance, and it's like a headquarters. So headquarter of what? Headquarters of NSA, isn't it? But its theme more like it's look like, as you can say, SBI Bank, isn't it? Isn't it themes looks like SBI Bank? Right. So that's the same thing. And this is just a random recording that they have uploaded here. This is not something that we are watching live here. Okay. If you wait here for 2-3 minutes, you will see that few people will enter from these doors, right? And they will start attacking on these people and all. Okay. Guys, are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's just wait for it. Almost there. and see, they have started attacking. Right? So this is just a fake recording that they have uploaded here, right? And if we wait here for 2-3 more minutes, everything will be reset and you will see that again they are attacking and all, right? So this is just a fake stuff that they have uploaded here, right? We can close this. Then apart from this, we even have here an option for the Bitcoin miner. Let's say we'll open this. It says that by default, we already have here 8 Bitcoins. And I can even click on start mining, right? And see it has started mining the Bitcoins. Do you guys know what Bitcoin is? Huh?
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
it's a
What is
cryptocurrency.
Bitcoin? Cryptocurrency,
It's
right?
yeah.
Okay. And what is the value of 1 Bitcoin?
Yeah, nowadays it is crossing 1 crore, around 1 crore or something.
We can search that.
Yeah.
1 BTC to INR, right? 76 lakh, right?
Now dropped.
Yeah, it dropped.
It, it
Recently it did.
was, yeah.
Yeah. So we have 76 lakh for 1 Bitcoin. But here it says that we have 8 Bitcoins. Until now, maybe, yeah, we have got 10 Bitcoins. But the reality is it's fake, right? If this was my real account and the 10 Bitcoin was there, then definitely I was not taking this session here, right? So yeah, that's the thing. So all of these things are just a fake stuff that is uploaded on this website, but this is something that we saw in the movies actually, right? This is what exactly we call a real hacking. I hope the concept is clear for everyone.
Right.
Okay, so during the classes, guys, please do not compare whatever that we are learning that with the movies. Okay, because movies, the hacking that you see in the movie, that is way different than the real one. Okay, that's a request, please, guys. Okay. Okay, then. So we'll close this, and this as well. Yeah. So till now, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Any doubts, anyone? No?
No.
Okay, so now let me tell you guys few files that you should download in your computer, right? And then we'll start working on them from tomorrow, right? So first of all, you need to go to your browser and search here for Kali Linux. Okay, this is a type of Linux operating system that we are going to download and use it, right? So you have to go to the official website of Kali Linux, search for Kali Linux, and then go to its official website. Then from here, you have to go to the download button, right? And then inside this, click on this virtual machine. And then from here, download the first file, this VMware file. Okay. I'm even sending the link of the file in your chat box. Here we go. Right? The link I have shared you just have to click on this file. It will start downloading the file for you. Okay. Apart from this, um, taking time to load. Okay, while it is loading here, you have to search on your browser VMware. and then VMware download, let's search. Then from here, you have to go to the TechSport website, and from this you have to download the second link. You have to click on this link, it will start downloading the file for you. In my case, I already have all of these files. I'm not downloading this again, right? But for you guys, you have to download them separately, right? Oh, not in the notepad. Just click on these links that I'm sending you. The file will automatically start downloading in your system. Okay, after this, you have to download all of these files as well. Okay, all of these files separately by clicking on these three dots, right? And then click on download button, right? So this is what you have to do. For this also, I'm sending you guys the link. Taking too long. Okay. So this is another link that I have shared with you guys, right? So you have to download all of these files separately. Am I clear for everyone? Team, am I clear? Hello, hello.
Yes,
Guys, you're
sir.
there? Okay, so make sure to download all of these files in your system, right? Okay, so that's all from my side for today, right? Rest of the things that we'll cover from tomorrow, right? Tomorrow we'll do the 2 hours of class and we'll uh, complete the installation part and all, right? So just make sure to download all of these files before joining tomorrow's session. Clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yep, sure.
Sir, I have a question.
Yes, yes.
काली भी डाउनलोड करना है साथ में?
Of course, I've sent you the link ना, काली भी डाउनलोड करना है आपको.
सर, आप एक बार आपके स्क्रीन पे दिखा सकते हो विच वन काली डाउनलोड, क्योंकि उसका लिंक नहीं आया मुझे चैट बॉक्स में.
Send in the chat box ना, chat box में नहीं आया. The first link जो मैंने send किया है.
Yes, it is there in chat.
I'm sending that again, okay? Okay,
Okay,
I've
sir.
sent the link again na यहाँ पे. Yes, you can check in the chat box.
Yes, sir.
And I've seen guys you're not talking. What happened? The other participants that we have here. Ankit,
Actually, sir,
Mumtaz.
downloading these files is taking and also creating some space on the disk drive so that we can accommodate these files also side by side.
Yeah. You have to download all of these files. In total, to download these files, you need maybe around 20 GB of data. So make sure that you are connected with the internet.
That's why
Sorry,
I'm
with the
making.
Wi-Fi, right? So that is the thing. And I have told the specifications for the system that you need for this course. That is going to be 16 GB of RAM. Okay. Minimum 16 GB of RAM, right? You need then i5 10th generation and 512 GB SSD. If you don't have i5 10th gen or other things, right? So please make sure to upgrade your RAM to 16 GB at least. Okay, because that is kind of mandatory. Of course, we cannot upgrade the processor, but we can upgrade the RAM, right? So at least try to do that. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that's all for today from my side. Today we just have completed the basic introduction part and the course content, right? From tomorrow we'll start our proper classes and all, right? So till then, please make sure to download all of these files before joining tomorrow's class, because tomorrow I'll tell you how to install all of these stuff. And do not install them by yourself. I'll tell you the steps only that you have to do. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. That's all then.
Okay.
So still, if
Thank
anyone of you have anything to ask, you can ask me, or else we'll wind up the class.
you. Okay, we are good. Thank you.
Okay, cool then.
Bye bye.
So see you tomorrow. Bye bye. Have a good day, guys.
Thank you so
Yes,
much, sir.
sir. Good day.
Bye.